And now let's start filming.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget your golden.
Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Just give this video a thumbs up right now. It actually supports me. So anyway guys, so as you saw from the title, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the package that I got and I decided to share with you here on YouTube. If you don't follow me on Instagram, by now I have already posted it on my IG stories. So if you don't follow me, go ahead and follow me at justa_moora. I will leave the link in my description box on this video, but the link to my IG is always on my description box below. So if you don't follow me, I don't know why. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe by the way. So without any further ado, let's start this video. So guys, I have the package right here and I received this package. And before I jump right into this package, I want to say thank you so much for everyone who has been supporting me on my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate you all. So today I'm going to do I'm going just basically to be sharing this package with you guys and see what I got. And most of you are interested to know the products that I use, so I found this sharing this video to you guys necessary. So let me just stop rambling and then just show you the package. So this is the package. This is the so this is the just this beautiful package. I received this I think 2 weeks ago. Not 2 weeks, 1 week ago. And wow, look at this package. So I'm just going to place it over here and then we go one by one and I just show you the products that I received. And before we do all these products are from Vatika Afro Natural. You can go ahead and follow them on Instagram. I'm going to link down I'm going to link their link in the description box. I'm going to leave their link in the description box below, so go ahead and check it out. And so this product, you can find them at Carrefour, you can go ahead and find them at Best Lady, you can go and find them at Jumia, any online shop, where else, just any cosmetic shop near you, so you can go and check them out. I've seen them in the Best Lady, Jumia and Carrefour, so that's the reason why I'm mentioning those places. If you know other places that I've not mentioned, comment down below in the comment section below. So like I said, I received this product. Let me see. I received this product the end when 28th of 9, that's 28th of August. Is it August or September? September. And let me I have the products over here and wow. So the first product is this lock and twist gel. This has the main ingredients is shea butter and coconut oil. And let's talk about the packaging. I absolutely love the packaging, and I love the packaging. Look, it's so attractive by the way. And let's open this and we see the consistency, the smell. The smell is amazing. It's amazing. Let me just tell you one thing: if you have children, just keep this away from them because they're going to eat. If you have little nephews and nieces, you can apply it on their hair, but don't put it just there because they are going to eat, basically, because it smells like a bubblish gum flavor. The smell is absolutely amazing, and the consistency, I don't know if you'll be able to see. So there is the consistency. It's like a gelish kind of way form. And this is for all hair types. So if you are not for all hair types, it's for type 4 hair. So if you are for A, for B, for C, this whoops, oh my god. If you're for for A, for B, for C, this product is for you, and it claims it doesn't flake, and it lasts longer, and it retains moisture on your hair. So this product, I'm really excited to try it out and see if whatever it claims to do, it does. And the first ingredient is aqua, that's a plus, and also it says it doesn't have sulfates and silicones in it. So we all know that those two products dries your hair out, so that's a plus. So the next product from this is this leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner, and the main ingredient also is shea butter and coconut oil, and it says it hydrates and restore moisture on your hair. And let me smell it. The smell is amazing, and it's actually water-ish. I don't know if you can see. You can see from here because the container is transparent. Yeah, it's really water-rich in a way, and this product is also for I think all the products here are for type. Yeah, all the products are for type 4 hair. So if you're for type hair, these products are for you. Me, basically, I'm just for B and for C behind and for B at the front. So this is the main ingredient, like I said, is shea butter and coconut oil, and it also doesn't have mineral oil and sulfates. Yeah, and the first ingredient is aqua. Yeah, and the packaging is okay. I will say I wish it had because it's just in a liquid kind of way, I wish they had put it in a tube form, so it can be you can easily apply on your hair. But I will first try it out using this container, and then I'm going to do a whole video on a review. This is not a review, I'm just sharing this product. If you're interested to know the product that I use, you can go and check it out, because I normally when I started receiving question on the product that I use, I started showing all the products that I purchase. If it's me purchasing or gifted, I just come and tell you, and these products are gifted, I didn't spend a dime. So yeah, so the next thing on this gift hamper is this curling defining cream. This is how it looks. The first ingredient is shea butter and coconut oil, and those are the major ingredients in this. And it defines curls, lock moisture, all that fancy stuff. And again, this is for type hair, for type 4 hair. And the main ingredient is aqua, and it claims doesn't have mineral oil. So this is the next packaging. And actually I love the gold detail on this, and let me just smell it. Again, beautiful. The smell is actually beautiful, and it's kind of waterish. Okay, my camera is not doing any justice, but anyway, oops. Yeah, I hope you have seen it's creamish, but also not that thick. It's creamish in a way, and it actually smells good. I love how all these products are smelling. I will say 10 out of 10 with their smell wise. So the next product in this is this hair oil. This is shea butter and soya. The main ingredient is shea butter and soya beans oil. This is the first time this will be the first time me using a product which has soya beans, not shea butter, soya beans. Yeah, so this is the first ever product. I've never actually seen a product which has soya beans the main ingredients, the major ingredients. and it also says it strengthen and lock moisture, all that fancy stuff. And one thing, actually I love the packaging on this product. I did claim it doesn't have sulfate and silicones. That's a good thing. And one thing, the reason why I love the packaging of this is because of this nozzle over here. So if you open like so, and then when you close it like so. And then now when you open, you see how it has like a small hole here. So when you just pour it, just a little, I hope you have seen. Yeah, since I don't want to waste any products, yeah. So the smell, let me just smell it. The smell is also bubblish. Like all these products complement each other. I love, and I love the smell. Actually 10 out of 10. I love. And the first ingredient in here is glycerin. Yeah, that's nice. And this is how it looks. I love it. I absolutely love it. So those are the product. Like now the bag is empty, absolutely empty. And again, I love the packaging, what it came with. And those are just basically the products that I received from Vatika Afro Natural. Thank you so much, Vatika Afro Natural, for like gifting me this gift hamper. I really do appreciate that. So guys, so if you're interested, you can also find this product at Jumia, Carrefour, and also you can go and find them at Best Lady or any cosmetic shop near you. You can go and check them out. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I really do appreciate you all. Subscribe if you haven't. And also I want to do like a quick shout out. I have never given a shout out on my YouTube channel. I think this is like the second time, if not the first. So I'm going to give a shout out to this YouTuber. I'm going to link her channel, just to you see like I'm just going to put her channel here so you can go and follow her. Just go and support Jesus Christ. Go and support a Kenyan sister. She's also a Kenyan YouTuber. Go and show her love, say that I sent you. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one.